Stars, you'll never guess in what way Nepo babies that couldn't quite get the job done are battling. Courtroom sketches. Oh, yes. Donald Trump Jr. asked a courtroom sketch artist to make him, quote, look smexy. um, yeah. That's a tall order, sir. Donald Trump Jr. wanted the courtroom sketch artist to make him look smexy while testifying this week. Donald Trump Jr. asked the courtroom sketch artist in her illustrations to just tweak it a little bit, give him a little bit of oomph, give him the shoulders and chin and good looks of a man who is desirable, successful, and not a fraud. The artist Jane Rosenberg told the story to Reuters before Don Jr. confirmed it on social media afterward. This is after the appearance he made in court to testify in the fraud trial against his family business in New York last Thursday. Rosenberg explained that Don Jr. referenced a fake drawing of former cryptocurrency CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. Now we know SBF has been on trial for crypto fraud, and that it looks like he was convicted on all counts. But he somehow finagled a courtroom drawing that didn't look like him, but looked like a, shall we say, AI filtered version of him, right? Why are Sam Bankman-Fried's parents getting off the hook? That's just my question, my opinion. For entertainment purposes only. Quote, I said, that's fake, Rosenberg told the outlet. It doesn't look anything like him. Doesn't look anything like Sam Bankman-Fried. And there's no one in the courtroom drawing that, right? There's a difference between someone who's accurately trying to portray a trial that doesn't allow cameras and someone, much like, those vendors when you go to Hollywood Boulevard or 34th Street in New York, like if you give them like $20, they'll draw like a caricature of you holding a, standing in front of the Statue of Liberty or with a Yankees hat on. It's a version of you. It's not you. So now Don Trump Jr. wants one. And I don't think he's been successful. Trump reacted to the story about his ask in a post on Twitter/X, quote, true story. I mean, this was the SBF sketch. I mean, give me a effing break. Seems like a reasonable ask. LOL, he wrote. LOL, sir, maybe you're not embracing the gravity of the situation. Ain't nothing to LOL about. Anyway, in another post, this time on Instagram, he shared his own courtroom sketch with the caption, follow up to yesterday's post, WTF fat slob SBF gets to look like a superhero Zac Efron, and I look like Kermit the freaking Frog in our courtroom drawings. It ain't right. Oh, that's not right? There's nothing else going on that isn't right? You're not being drawn in a way that perfects your image, and that's not right. That's the central tragedy of this whole situation, all the resources and time. People in the street confused, thinking that this fraud trial is something that your family is being put through rather than something that your family made happen, precipitated, and you're complaining about a courtroom sketch. You know what? I'm sure you can use your Discover card to order a sketch to your liking. Damn, if you go on ChatGPT, you can make one for yourself right now. Based on photos of Zac Efron that you like so much. Get her done. New York Attorney General Letitia James brought the lawsuit against the Trump family, claiming they inflated and deflated the value of their various assets to receive lower taxes and improved insurance coverage. There will be further updates about this case, but, you have a perfect right to not take other people's money. You have a perfect right to go to any state, any red state in the union, and create and conduct your business. But you wanted the cachet of a New York State business license. You wanted the cachet of operating real estate and other businesses in Manhattan, where the big boys and the grown-ups and the grown-up women play. Not, oh, well, the shell game, the shell moves over here, but then we'll say the property's worth nothing. And then when we want more money, we'll say it's worth 3 times as much. And then we'll take a historical property that cannot be developed and we'll do it anyway and keep shuffling, keep 3-card Montying your way in a way that only Todd Chrisley and his wife could understand. All this wealth, all this money created out of nothing, right? And then when people go to jail, they're like, boo-hoo-hoo. It's like nobody told you to do that. Nobody said inflate, deflate. No one said to sign off on documents that, is the condo 10,000 square feet or is it 30,000 square feet? That's not a mistake. That's a strategy, in my opinion. And Miss Letitia is going to help you sort it out, right? That poor grandpa, what's his name? Weisselberg is doing time. That other character, Michael Cohen, did his time. Everybody doing time. Why not y'all? If it's good enough for them, Don Trump Jr. could go to prison and work on his physique, build up those shoulders so that he can get his Zac Efron on for real. He don't have to be in Supermax. He can go to a nice little country club and write books and maybe even like an instruction booklet about how to do accounting and general accounting principles and how to be the trustee of a real corporation like a big boy, in my opinion, for entertainment and educational purposes only.